Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, the best time to eat yogurt for gut health, weight loss and bone strength. Key takeaways. Eating yogurt with a meal or 30 minutes beforehand can help probiotics reach the intestines and improve gut health. Replacing unhealthy snacks or desserts with yogurt, or eating yogurt before a meal, can aid in weight loss. Eating yogurt regularly, especially in combination with exercise, can improve bone strength. Best time for gut health. Eat yogurt 30 minutes before a meal or with a meal, as the probiotics are more likely to survive stomach acid and reach the intestines. Avoid eating yogurt 30 minutes after a meal, as the probiotics are less likely to survive. Best time for weight loss. Eat yogurt as a snack, ingredient replacement, dessert, at breakfast, or before meals to help curb appetite and replace unhealthy foods. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars. Best time for stronger bones. Eat yogurt at the same time each day, such as with breakfast, to build a habit. Eat yogurt after exercise, as the combination of exercise and yogurt consumption can improve bone formation. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak